Cooking in a blanc. Bring 2.5 litres of water and 25 grams of salt to a boil. In the meantime, prepare the blanc. Dissolve 30 grams of flour into the remaining ½ litre of cold water and add the juice of 1 lemon and 30 grams of butter. Whisk the mixture into the boiling water. As soon as the water returns to a boil, add the cleaned vegetables. Cauliflower is the only vegetable that should be boiled without a lid, as this will eliminate the foul smell produced by volatile acids. This method should be used with vegetables that turn brown when they are exposed to air, such as cardoons, turnips, cauliflower, artichokes, fennel and scorzonera. If the vegetables aren't to be served immediately, it is best to keep them in the cooled liquid to prevent browning.